that's the zombie, the start of the zombie apocalypse, man. What y'all talking about? I like how you brighten that up.
What the fuck is wrong with her?
E30, we're driving it, open headers. Chances are the car could be taken away. Shout out to Charles, the neighbor. This is what he gave me. He came down here. He was like, yeah, it's not really that good. I was going to use it for baking. I was like, dude, you want me to buy it? He was like, no.
I smoke all this shit.
This is what we're gonna need. This is the gas we're gonna need to get the car to go.
Wanna buy some weed?
Sheesh. This is all props. Charles works for the movies. Look at all the shiny stuff. Shiny looks good. This is everything going on. I'm actually really stoked about this. This is what I'm stoked about. Can't wait to have these coming out like that. But yeah, dude, first of all, let's just appreciate all these like 3 mechanical things right here. So we got the Land Rover. I don't know if you guys ever seen this, but this is David's. All right, just tell us the specs real quick. The year, make, model, all that stuff.
1996.
Hi.
Land Rover Discovery.
Lift kit and all that.
V8. It's from England. I don't know.
It's cool.
What piece of shit is this?
Oh, we got the Honda. And we have the E30.
Like the cut. Thanks, man. You look good, man.
Oh, what's up, dude?
T-shirt with my hair.
What's up? Wait, what? That doesn't seem that bad. To give you this much?
It's definitely like cheaper weed.
No, it's definitely shit. Not like what? That's a lot, dude.
Right? That's what I'm saying. But like, it seems too good to be true.
Quantity over quality?
Quantity over quality. Story of my life. That's why I have so many cars. Nice. Wow, hey, this car is cute as fuck. The moment right here.
Okay, what are you gonna do? Aren't you gonna cut that?
Yeah, but I don't got a blade. You got a blade on you?
Oh my God, Christian. No, I don't.
You gonna send it or what?
Send it. Yeah, Ma.
Do you have $25 in cash I can give the gardener? I don't have no change.
I wish I had $25 in cash. I was laughing because the last time we were in here together,
Oh yeah.
did not go well.
Flashback. Oh shit. There's the flashback.
I'm that dude today.
Hey, quiet down with that shit!
Rolling shot.
Hey, dude. Dude, it's so fucking loud.
It's crazy loud, bro.
God, that fucking annoying. He looks good though. noise.
There's so many different noises going on right now.
I know it's crazy. I'm glad you guys talked me into doing it. Look at this tire, dude.
Yeah, you were fucking hitting the e-brake
you and it
too.
was still loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I think I lost something like right here. Did you guys see it? Something that fell off?
Dripping something.
Oh yeah.
What's it dripping? Cool.
Oh. Yeah, I think that's cool. That's leaking like a mug though. I lost it like something.
Oh shit, yeah, we lost coolant.
Oh, the hose in the back pop. Yeah, it sounded like I lost something. I dropped it. I'm gonna go see it. Sorry. Hey, how'd it sound though?
Annoying as hell.
I know he has hell. I was so sick. It didn't feel that fast though.
Yeah, it didn't look that bad.
Yeah, like
But I don't think it's like fully.
I mean, I gave it the beans once. How are we running?
I don't know.
I'm tired now. I gave it the beans once, but it didn't feel that quick.
You didn't really pull.
Yeah, kind of disappointed.
And that shit dripping like a holy fuck. That shit dripping.
Yeah, like right here, I felt something fall from the car. I was hoping you guys would be honking.
Oh shit! It broke your neck.
Ooh, shit, that's a tie rod.
Oh shit!
Oh wow. Yeah, this bolt's fresh too. Look at
That thing's brand. Wait, what is that from?
it. Probably steering. That's what it felt like when I was coming. Something said clunk clunk clunk.
The fuck? Shit just fucking falling off and shit.
Oh wow. Looks like you know what you're doing down there.
Yeah, right when you got the camera, I started grabbing shit. We're gonna get this. We're gonna put this right here with the dual headers, and then
Well, okay, what about this?
that's the catalytic converter.
Yeah, we put the catalytic converter right here to the SNL muffler.
Yes, sir.
And another SNL muffler over there.
With the dual exhaust.
Exactly, with the
Yes, sir.
AMG white tips, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's get it!
You want a helmet?
Nah, I'm good.
Let me get it in.
Hey, you wanna know how to get skin cancer? Don't wear protective gear. Hey, they got a brain on him, huh? Hey, perfect service announcement? Fuck cars.
Yeah. I've been knowing that one.
Like cars were chasing a high that's just so hard. With this, it's $50 for a high. Hey, I don't do drugs, bro. This is like, I'm not even putting it on YouTube channel.
Put it, man.
Bro, this is bad influence.
Feel it?
Gotta be a damn good influence, you know?
Smoking weed changed my life though for the better. Saying.
Hey, weed is not bad how they said it was.
Let me tell you, smoke weed, man, shit gonna change your life for the better, man. That one was good.
Hot!
That was a solid tack.
All that buffness for no reason.
That's all I said.
Alright, hey, we're just gonna start it, say fuck it. That's pretty quiet, huh? What do you think, David? Where you at?
It sounds like someone stole your cats.
Now what we could do, I mean we could keep mocking it up, but we can separate from the V-band and literally have that whole spot to weld.
If you want a TIG already, we can do it. Like it's there, dude.
Should we just keep going?
Yeah, let's keep going.
Keep
Might
going,
as well.
keep going. Okay,
Sorry.
let me see.
Got excited.
You escaped from the Guantanamo Bay. I'm sorry, man. I feel bad now. Don't be flashing people in the lights, in the headlights. Hey, it's getting kind of late. We're all pretty tired. I'm probably just gonna see you in the morning. It might be magically done. Bro, that's the zombie, the start of the zombie apocalypse, man. What y'all talking about? I like how you brighten that up.
The fuck is wrong with her? Like, yeah, fuck, like, she's talking as fuck, like, the fuck are you talking about, bitch? Whoever told, like, nobody told you to block the fucking road and shit.
Pressure shit, bro.
Hey, light them up.
I think she's fucking drunk.
She for sure drunk. Say, come on. Oh, we about to see.
Look how
Paul.
stupid. Like, we backed all the way right here and fucked up.
Ski-ha. See y'all tomorrow.
See y'all tomorrow.